Okay, so now we are going to be installing, and now we're going to go to step 119, which is the installation of the generator assembly. This again, we had built previously, which is this part here. Okay, now we are in. Okay, now we're going to be doing the crankshaft synchronous chain assembly. So that is part number 56 that we're going to be mounting, and there's it's actually got the timing is out, so it tells you which direction this should be mounted. Amazing. The level of detail that they provided is quite interesting. Okay, so now we're moving to part 11.22, which is the installation of the chain gear block, synchronous chain gear block. Okay, so now we are going to be installing the crankshaft synchronization gear. Okay, so here's something to keep in mind. You've got to make sure that none of this stuff moves there and the alignment there, because now I've got to put the chain tensioner component on there, which is part 38. So let me grab that. Oh, okay, so now we're going to be installing the bearing seats. Okay, so now we're going to put the fixed crankshaft pulley together. So that is part 28. Okay, so now we're on part 11.29, installing the belt, and it should be something like that. Okay, so that seems to be okay, seems to be turning okay. I'm gonna just, okay, I've been looking forward to this part, so now we're gonna actually install the fan directly on top of the part that protrudes out. Okay, so now we are about to install the oil filter. Obviously not a real oil filter, but let's put that in. And that is this. Really solid too. Very impressive. Okay, so now we are about to install the front end cover. I notice that although this is mounted and it does turn, it's very tight, but once we put the cover here, I think this moves up a tad and the whole thing moves a lot smoother. So you may encounter something like that, just something to keep that in mind. Okay, so now we are going to install the air filter. Okay, we are now at the point where we will be installing the potentiometer. So this is something that we had built previously, and there is a pipe, but I just removed that just to make the whole thing a little bit easier to manage. So let me align this.